Hello everyone, my name is Richard Ricomas. I'm a Culinary Arts major here at the Culinary Institute of America, and I have 60 seconds to tell you about it. Why did I choose this major? I chose this major because I really wanted to excel in my culinary dreams, and I wanted to cook for people around the world. My favorite class is high volume production. High volume production, we send out 50 to 60 meals a day to students. Something that surprised me was how the chefs are really motivated and passionate for what they do. They push you to your limits because they see potential in you. Most important thing I've learned so far has to be communication. In the kitchen, communication is key, and you have to start and end as a team. Where do I see this taking me in the future? I see the Culinary Institute of America taking me to greater lengths and having me travel around the world and open up my own restaurant. I want to do it all. With the connections I build and the people I meet throughout the CIA, I truly believe that I'll do amazing things. My name is Richard Ricomas, and this has been the Culinary Arts major at the CIA.